Precision ensures perfect performance.
Precision ensures flawless touch response.
Every surface is perfected for a premium feel.
Screws are tightened to exact torque specifications.
Power is carefully installed for performance and safety.
Secure fastening ensures structural integrity. Protective housings enclose delicate electronics.
Core transformation prepares smartphones for automation refinement. Every smartphone starts deep in the earth.
Raw minerals begin their journey. Safety and precision govern every step. Transportation within the site ensures flow. Size reduction prepares materials for refinement. Purity begins at the source.
Specific metals are extracted for technology.
Smartphones rely on multiple metals.
Even tiny amounts of precious metals matter.
Extraction is just the first step.
Human oversight ensures quality.
Preparation for the journey to factories. Raw materials are ready to travel. The journey to production begins. From Earth to electronics, the path is long. Raw materials begin their long journey to production. Weight ensures safe transport and tracking.
Materials transition from transport to handling.
Careful handling prevents contamination or damage.
Verification begins immediately upon arrival. Organized storage ensures production efficiency.
Every component arrives with precision. Flow continues seamlessly.
Accuracy is critical before assembly.
Materials converge toward production lines. Order in storage ensures order in production. Protection of critical parts is non-negotiable. Automation bridges storage and production.
Materials are finally ready to become smartphones.
This is where raw materials become technology.
Controlled access protects sensitive operations.
Personnel follow strict protocols.
Supplies arrive daily to keep lines running. Efficient logistics bridge transport and production. Every facility reflects precision and brand identity.
Security and monitoring start at the entrance.
Clean conditions are essential for electronics.
Preparation ensures contamination-free assembly.
Every step maintains factory integrity.
Prepared hands ensure flawless assembly. Components arrive in perfect sequence.
Defects are caught before they reach assembly.
Organization keeps production flowing.
The heart of smartphone production begins here.
Every component begins with careful inspection.
Purity is critical before assembly.
Visual perfection ensures flawless display.
Power sources are tested before assembly.
Organization prepares the line for efficiency. Precision robotics maintains speed and accuracy. Automated inspection catches even minor flaws.
Every tiny part is purified for performance.
Only flawless components move forward. Preparation ensures smooth assembly operations. Controlled environment protects sensitive electronics.
Every connector finds its precise place.
All components converge for transformation. Human oversight complements automation.
Components are ready to become smartphones.
Every circuit begins with exact placement. Tiny amounts of solder make electrical connections. Precision robotics place thousands of components per hour. Heat bonds components permanently. Automated eyes catch every flaw. Human checks complement machine precision. One wafer produces hundreds of microchips. Organization ensures fast assembly integration. Functionality is verified at every stage. Power sources are carefully prepared.
The core of the smartphone is now complete, ready for transformation.
Every connection must be secure.
Every module is verified before full assembly.
Core transformation prepares smartphones for automation refinement.
Screens are fitted with meticulous precision.
Adhesives bond components seamlessly.
Curing solidifies each connection for durability. Protective housings enclose delicate electronics. Secure fastening ensures structural integrity.
Power is carefully installed for performance and safety.
Housing is pressed and sealed with precision. Early testing identifies assembly issues immediately. Vision modules are aligned and connected.
Sound components are carefully integrated.
Sensors make smartphones intelligent.
Visual perfection is checked before final testing.
Assembly is complete, ready for rigorous testing. Automation ensures every piece fits perfectly.
Modules unite to form the complete smartphone.
Tiny screws are tightened to perfection. Lasers guarantee precision alignment. High-speed soldering strengthens every connection.
Automated vision ensures flawless assembly.
Robotics achieve perfect placement every time. Automation handles even the most sensitive components. Flex cables are routed flawlessly. Multiple systems work together seamlessly.
Unique identification is applied automatically.
Automated testing catches imperfections instantly.
Every sensor is tuned for precision. Automation works in harmony with cleanroom precision. All ports function perfectly.
Lens alignment is critical for image quality. Displays are tuned for vibrant, accurate colors.
Every touch is responsive and precise. Haptics provide subtle feedback for every action. Protection is tested against the elements.
Only flawless devices continue to packaging.
Edges are perfect for safety and aesthetics. Branding is precise on every device. Security sensors are finely tuned. Every tone is clear and distortion-free.
Precision finishing guarantees premium smartphones. Every smartphone undergoes rigorous quality control.
Safety is verified in every electrical circuit. Connectivity must meet exacting standards.
Software ensures flawless performance.
Batteries are stress-tested for reliability.
Every photo sensor is calibrated for clarity.
Audio output is tuned to perfection. Feedback mechanisms respond accurately. Durability is tested in all conditions. Physical resilience is verified for everyday use.
Only flawless units advance.
Random checks guarantee batch reliability.
Traceability is maintained for every device. All tests passed, ready for the final journey.
Every device meets exacting standards before shipment.
After testing, devices are ready for packaging.
Each box is prepared carefully to protect its contents.
All necessary accessories accompany each smartphone.
Sealing protects devices during transport. Each unit is traceable from factory to consumer.
Quality control extends to packaging.
Robotics optimize storage and transport efficiency.
Wrapping secures products for long-distance transport.
Finished smartphones are organized for distribution.
Every shipment is tracked for accurate delivery.
Smartphones are dispatched efficiently to markets worldwide.
And this is how modern factories produce smartphones from start to finish.
Products now journey to their final destinations.
The factory operates seamlessly, day after day.
Comment what's next.